Forget what you thought you knew about healthy eating. This unassuming leaf just changed the game. We all know vegetables are good for us, but let's face it, not all veggies are created equal. A baked potato, while comforting, doesn't pack the same nutritional punch as a plate of spinach. So, how do you ensure you're getting the most bang for your bite? Enter watercress, a humble leafy green that's been crowned the undisputed champion of nutrient density by the CDC. And this is the part most people miss. The CDC's ranking system, based on the concentration of essential vitamins and minerals, gave watercress a perfect score of 100. That's right, a perfect score. Spinach, chard, and beet greens, while impressive, trailed behind in the 80s. But what exactly is this superfood in disguise? Watercress, scientifically known as Nasturtium officinale, Latin for nose twister, more on that later, belongs to the Brassicaceae family, making it a cousin to cabbage, kale, radishes, and mustard. It thrives in freshwater environments like streams and ponds, and its peppery flavor has been enjoyed for millennia. Think arugula meets horseradish, and you're on the right track. Here's where it gets controversial. While watercress is hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, some regions consider it a weed due to its abundance in moist, temperate climates. But this very abundance makes it a reliable and accessible food source. In Victorian-era London, street vendors sold it as poor man's bread, and it's been used medicinally across Europe and Asia for centuries. So, what's all the fuss about? Dr. Amy Lee, head of nutrition for Nucific, breaks it down. Watercress is packed with vitamin A, potassium, and even more vitamin C than an orange. No wonder Captain James Cook relied on it to prevent scurvy during his global voyages. The catch? Finding watercress can be a challenge. It's not your everyday grocery store staple. You're more likely to find it at specialty markets or stores like Whole Foods. But don't let that deter you. Its versatility makes it worth the hunt. Young watercress sprouts, with their milder flavor and tender stems, are perfect for raw applications. Think salads, sandwiches, or as a garnish. Mature watercress, with its intensified peppery kick and tougher stems, shines when cooked. Stir-fries, soups, and broths are excellent choices, but remember, don't overcook it. Dr. Lee warns, the longer you cook vegetables, the more nutrients escape into the cooking liquid. It's a delicate balance. Cooking can make some nutrients more bioavailable, but overdoing it can be counterproductive. So, is watercress truly the ultimate vegetable? While the CDC's ranking is impressive, the Healthiest label is subjective. A balanced diet incorporating a variety of vegetables is always best. But if you're looking for a nutrient-dense powerhouse to add to your culinary repertoire, watercress is definitely worth a try. What do you think? Is watercress worth the hype? Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments below.